For those that speculate, oh, I don't think A+ content indexes, you can use the scientific method and I'll prove it to you. Put Spanish characters, do 100 Spanish characters behind one single photo on anywhere on your A+ content. I guarantee you it'll index in under 48 hours. Next, we're going to talk about SEO. A lot of people know, okay, titles are really important for SEO, and they know put search terms on the back end of your keywords. But what a lot of people overlook is the amazing amount of characters of SEO text that you can add in your A+ content. There are two modules. One is the brand story and the other is the A+ content. And this brand story is brand new. Most people don't even have this built or up yet. And it's really important because you have to have this built to get what's called premium A+ content, which allows you giant images like this. And you can even put videos into your A+ content. So a lot of cool things, a lot of new tools and whatnot. But there's this brand story right here. Now, when a consumer starts scrolling down and they're shopping product, what do they see right here? A bunch of ads. And if you click that horizontally, I can start scrolling lots of different product. Now, a savvy marketer like me who has hundreds of SKUs is going to pick up on that sort of arrow customer maintenance or how the consumer interacts with Amazon and all of that. And so it's very important to figure this out. And then here, if you go to the brand story, what can you do but merchandise more and lots of different products in here? And the reason why this is falling into our SEO tip is because once you understand you can put lots of different product, what else can you understand? There's lots of images. Now, if I right click any random photo in my brand story here in Chrome, you can see the image alt text code brings up 100 characters of SEO juice. Now, I just showed you how there is 1, 2, 3, 4 products or 4 photos per module, and I have a dozen different modules in here. That is thousands of keywords you can now put into your text. That doesn't even account for the text inside of the written form. This is just alt text behind each individual photo, including the banner one right here. And what's really awesome about this is because not only can you do it in your brand story, you can do it down in your A+ content. Every single photo, this one, that one, every module, every single photo, 100 characters of alt text, even behind the video there, as well as the product grid. So even this photo right here, you can look at and see the alt text, new mommy box spa set. And then if you inspect it, boom, alt text right there. And by the way, for those that speculate, oh, I don't think A+ content indexes, you can use the scientific method and I'll prove it to you. Put Spanish characters, do 100 Spanish characters behind one single photo on anywhere on your A+ content. I guarantee you it'll index in under 48 hours. So by understanding the power of SEO in a new way, this marketing strategy really opens up the floodgates of opportunities. Next, I'm going to show you how to load this directly on the back end. So if you go to your hamburger menu in Seller Central, put your cursor over advertising, go to A+ Content Manager. And in here, if we go to one of my A+ contents that I've built and hit edit, even if you have an old A+ content, you can still come in and do this in less than 5 minutes. Click on edit on the image and simply type image keywords that go in right here. Now, what I'm not covering in this video is how to go about choosing the keywords. And for that, you need to watch my SEO Masterclass video. Next, I have over, I think it's 80 minutes of nonstop SEO tips and juice and how to do indexing and ranking keywords and increase your market share. A lot broader depth on that particular vertical. But on this video, I just wanted to point out that every single photo can have 100 characters of alt text in your A+ content and brand story, and it's just going to open a lot of doors to allow you to grow traffic on Amazon in 2023.